Hello everyone. Today in this Adobe Photoshop tutorial I am going to teach you that how to replace sky under 1 minute in Adobe Photoshop CC. After opening your desired image, go to Edit, and choose Sky Replacement. Now this sky is being applied to our image. It's done. Sky has been changed. There are multiple types of skies available in the list you can choose from. Just select one, and it will be applied automatically. These are some options given to get more control and result of our choice. You can also add custom sky. To do so, click on the gear icon, hover over on Get More Skies, and then choose Import Images. So that was the how to replace sky under 1 minute in Adobe Photoshop CC 2022. If you like my video, please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.